Intec is proud to present the Cyclone all-fiber blowing machine. To operate the Cyclone, first review the machine manual and safety procedures. Wear appropriate clothing and a dust mask. Unload the Cyclone using safe lifting techniques. Start by positioning the machine in a dry, hazard-free environment that will allow for suitable material feed and access to electrical power. Ensure that all control panel and remote switches are in the off position. Using a 12-3 extension cord, 50 feet long, plug the female end of the extension cord into the power cord on the machine. Plug the male end of the extension cord into a dedicated circuit. Install the two 50-foot 2 1/2 inch hose sections onto the machine. Install the first 50-foot section over the outlet tube. Utilize the 2 1/2 inch hose clamp to secure tightly to the machine. Insert the 2 1/2 inch hose connector into the opposite end of the machine section of hose and secure in place with the 2 1/2 inch hose clamp. Insert the next section of 50-foot hose over the 2 1/2 inch hose connector. Secure in place with the 2 1/2 inch hose clamp. Ensure all hose connectors are snug to prevent air from leaking at any of the connections. Turn the blower power switch at the machine to the on position first, followed by the agitator switch. Note, at this point, the machine will not operate until the remote switches are moved to the on position, which will be reviewed in a moment. Open the slide gate by removing the locking pin. Pull the slide gate to the last hole position and secure in place by inserting the locking pin into the hole. This will allow for quick and efficient attic operation. For sidewall installation, refer to the owner's manual for proper settings. You are now ready to load material into the hopper of the machine. Placing the bag of insulation into the machine resting on the safety bars, you may now cut the bag open and remove the packaging. Fiberglass, cut the bag into thirds. Caution, keep all foreign material out of the hopper for safety. This includes packaging, tools, safety glasses, gloves, sticks, and pipe. These objects will damage the machine and may cause serious injury. A two-person operation is now required. The hose operator will move to the area where blowing insulation at this time, taking the hose and remote control with them. Caution, while the remote housing is strong, the switch may be damaged if dropped or dragged during setup or teardown. When in position to begin installing the insulation, the hose operator will turn the blower power switch of the remote control to the on position first, followed by the agitator switch. Note, when shutting off the remote, turn the agitator switch off first, keeping the blower motor running to allow material remaining in the hose to exit